getting the error Epic Games Launcher setup Wizard ended prematurely? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this step by step. Step 1. Close all Epic Games processes. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Launch the Task Manager and look for any processes related to Epic Games. Use the search box at the top to type Epic and find them quickly. Right-click on each Epic Games process and select End Task to close them completely. This ensures no files are in use while we proceed. Step 2. Delete Epic Games folders. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Go to Program Files, x86, and locate the Epic Games folder. Right-click on it and delete it by selecting the trash icon. Go back to the C drive and open Program Files, without the x86. Delete the Epic Games folder here as well. Make sure both folders are completely removed. If they don't delete, ensure no Epic Games processes are running in Task Manager. Step 3. Download and install Epic Games Launcher. Now, open your web browser and go to store.epicgames.com/download. Click on the Download button to get the latest installer for the Epic Games Launcher. Step 4. Use the installer to fix the issue. Run the installer you just downloaded. When the setup launches, select the Remove option and click Remove. Let this process finish and click Finish when it's done. Relaunch the installer, but this time select Repair and click the Repair button. This process will fix any corrupted files or installation issues. Step 5. Test the launcher. Once the repair is complete, double-click on the Epic Games Launcher icon. It should now open without any errors, and the Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely issue should be resolved. If this video helped you, please drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.